Do you want to rank number one when it comes to hardware stores or services or products you offer in your local market on Google Maps? Great, because in this video, we're going to break down the step-by-step process for how to optimize your Google business profile so that you can get the most traffic possible for your business when your local customers are looking to purchase what you sell or looking to go to a nearby store like yours. Let's break this down step by step so you know exactly what to do to optimize your profile for success. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, if your store's profile already exists, claim it by searching for your business on Google and clicking claim this business or own this business. If it doesn't exist, visit the link below to Google Business Profile and sign up with your own account or listing to get started. Then you're going to verify ownership through one of Google's verification options. They're either going to send you a postcard, do phone, email verification, or even video verification. So just follow the steps within your profile to verify your profile. That's first. Step two, complete all the basic information. So you need to have your business name and make sure your name is accurate and consistent with where it appears in other online directories on the web. That's important. Second, enter your full, precise store address. If you offer local delivery or services in nearby areas, ensure that the correct service area is listed as well. Also, add a local phone number to build trust with customers and improve local rankings. Next, link your website or specific landing page, like a store locator if you'd like, to your Google business profile. Then, this is critical, make sure you select the most relevant categories. So, hardware store. You can also add secondary categories like paint store or tool store to reflect all of your services that you offer, but don't just keyword stuff the categories. That will hurt you. Make sure that any that you add are relevant. Probably add hardware store as the primary category and then look through and see which other ones are relevant to add as secondary categories to help you rank for that too. Next, make sure that your hours are accurate and up to date. You'll especially need to come back in here for holiday hours or special hours as you have those throughout the year. Number three, add detailed business descriptions. So use the description field to explain what makes your hardware store unique, highlight your products or your services or any specialties that you offer, and focus on services and products that differentiate your store from competitors, and also mention the local community you're involved in or any expert advice you have to offer in your local market. This is going to help add local keywords to your Google business profile. Step four, another critical one, upload lots of high quality photos and videos. So what you're going to want are the exterior and interior photos of your store. So show your store's exterior for easy identification by customers and your interior photos to display key product sections like your tools, your garden supplies, your paint department, and also add pictures of your friendly staff smiling in the store, maybe even interacting with local shoppers. It's going to start to create a connection where your customers can see themselves in your store. And then use videos too. Add a short video up to like 30 seconds showcasing product demos, a store tour, or just an event that you've had at the store to really get customers engaged. And now be sure to regularly update your photos to keep your profile fresh and relevant. Google's going to love seeing the updated content, and it's going to help boost your rankings. Number five, enable and optimize your business attributes. So choose from a list of attributes that apply to your store, like wheelchair accessible, curbside pickup, or in-store shopping. This helps customers understand what to expect from your store and improves your profile search relevance. Number six, manage your products or services. Best thing you could do is integrate your product catalog. This is a service we offer at New Media Retailer. We'll just do this for you to integrate your product catalog into your Google business profile. This is using the product section to add the products you sell, like your tools, your plumbing supplies, your seasonal items. You're going to need clear photos, pricing, descriptions, inventory is great too. And also add your services. So there is a services section, so make sure you list all your services like key cutting, tool rental, or delivery, and provide details on services so potential customers know exactly what you offer. Number seven, encourage and manage reviews. Ask for reviews. Encourage happy customers to leave positive reviews on your Google profile. You can do this by sending a follow-up email after a purchase, asking in the store, and placing in-store signs, maybe even with a QR code that links directly to your profile. Now, reviews are critical. The more reviews you have and the more consistently you have reviews, the better your profile is going to rank, along with having a high star rating. On top of that, you're going to want to respond to those reviews, regularly responding to both positive and negative reviews. For positive reviews, thank the customer. For negative reviews, offer to resolve the issues politely. Engaging with reviews shows you value your customers' feedback and it builds trust. Number eight, post regular updates. use the Google Posts feature to share updates, promotions, special offers, in-store events, or seasonal sales. Posts appear directly in your profile and can also show up in Google Search and Maps, which is going to increase your visibility. Remember, Google likes updated content. Reviews, photos, and posts are a great way to do that, on top of keeping your hours accurate and consistent, especially around the holidays. Number 9, utilize Google's question and answer section. You may not realize, but there's a question and answer section on your profile, almost like a frequently asked questions section. Proactively answer the common questions about your hardware store, like your store policies, product availability, or delivery options. Providing accurate answers not only helps customers, but improves your trustworthiness, adds more keywords to your profile, and maybe even cuts down on customer service phone calls that you have to do repetitively. Number 10, make sure you jump in and you track your performance. You're going to be amazed at how many people in your local community are using your Google Business Profile on a regular basis. You're going to be able to see what they searched for, what actions they took on your profile, and even what photos they're viewing. Number 11, stay consistent. Ensure that the Google information on your Google Business Profile is consistent with other online platforms, such as your website, social media pages. Inconsistent business name, address, website, it can all confuse customers and actually harm your search ranking too, because it confuses Google. And last, maintain an active and updated profile. Update it with new products and make sure your product flow to your profile is accurate and consistent. We'll do that for you. Make sure that your profile, that you're getting new services up there. Make sure that you're adding your promotions and posts and your store events. Make sure you're responding to reviews, you're asking for reviews, you're adding photos, and you're keeping your holiday hours updated. Keeping your profile consistent and up to date, knowing that it is your website before your website, it is your business's presence in Google that probably thousands of people, if not many more, are looking at on a consistent basis. You want to make sure it's doing everything it can to drive that foot traffic right into your business stores. If you need help with your Google Business Profile and you want us to optimize and manage it for you, that's what we're here for at New Media Retailer. We can take care of that for your business on a monthly basis, keeping it top of mind and easy for you to update with just a text message to a dedicated marketing specialist. Thanks so much for joining me. Click on the link below if you'd like to talk to us about services for independent hardware stores. Otherwise, stay tuned because we'll catch you in the next video.